In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an external account to Wells Fargo in a very easy and straightforward manner. Whether you're looking to streamline your finances or manage your money more efficiently, connecting an external bank account to your Wells Fargo account can be a time-saving and hassle-free tool. So let's dive right into it. First things first, go ahead and grab your phone. We're going to be using the Wells Fargo mobile app for this process, which makes it super convenient. Open up the app and log in securely using your username and password. Make sure to enter this information carefully to avoid any lockouts which could happen if you enter your credentials incorrectly multiple times. Once you're in, you should find yourself on the home screen. From here, we need to access the main menu. It's located in the corner of the screen and looks like a little hamburger icon. Go ahead and give that a tap. You'll see a list of options unfold before you, guiding you through the various features the app has to offer. From this menu, look for Transfer and Pay. As you might guess, this is where we'll manage our money transfers, so go ahead and select it. Next, you need to navigate to External Accounts, or Add Account, depending on what you see on your screen. This will bring you to the setup page where you can start adding your external account information. Here, you will be prompted to input your other bank's information, specifically the routing number and the account number. It's crucial to double check these numbers to ensure they're correct. Any mistakes here can cause delays or errors in the linking process. Once you've reviewed and are confident that the details are accurate, tap Continue to move forward. The next step is all about verification, and this is Wells Fargo's way of ensuring that everything is secure. Wells Fargo will send two small deposits to your external account. These are test deposits, and you'll need to confirm their exact amounts within the Wells Fargo app. This step proves that you have access to the external account you're trying to link and helps maintain security across the networks. After verifying these deposits, it's smooth sailing ahead. Your external account will now appear within the app and it's ready for you to use in transactions. You can easily transfer money to or from your Wells Fargo account right from this central hub. Thanks for tuning in to learn about adding an external account to Wells Fargo. With just a few taps, you've taken a big step towards organizing your financial life more effectively. Happy banking, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.